So this is VSSL Gear, founded in British Columbia, 2015. What we do is premium quality coffee gear. Obviously, there's a lot of systems out there to make coffee. Not a lot of those systems use the quality components, quality construction that VSSL uses. And they're also not taking transportation and storage into consideration when designing their products. So we do everything from grinding, brewing, and drinking coffee on the go and on the road. This is our Nest pour over system. This is everything you need to make a great cup of coffee while on the go. You've got stainless steel, vacuum insulated mug, storage component that stores your grinders and filters, a pour over drip system, and an additional mug and lid that serves as storage for beans while transporting your coffee gear. Our grinder is made of military grade aluminum, highly durable, CNC engineered, stainless steel burr componentry, over 50 grind dial settings so you can really calibrate your grind for your brew that you're making. And everything's made to travel, brew, and transport wherever you're going, wherever you are. And our most recent launch is our Rift drinkware collection. This is 100% locking, leak-proof lid, cup holder compatible, hands-free carry, everything you need for coffee on the go and beverage transportation on the go. You can find VSSL at vesselgear.com. That's VSSLgear.com. We're also sold at backcountry.com, Shields, Al Sporting Goods out of Utah. Also up in Canada at MEC, La Corday, Altitude Sports, and Sail.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.